welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'll be unboxing 4 rare PIA ATR models in 1 to 400 scale by JCWINGS. Let's get into it.
दिल की पहली उड़ान PIA के जहाज में मेरे वतन की यादों में रहता हूँ। दिल की पहली उड़ान आसमां की बुलंदियों में मैं पाकिस्तान का झंडा मेरे दिल में रहता है।
So with our first model, we'll start with APBHO. As you can see, it's in the 2012 livery, as well as some side markings on each side with the Gurdwara Gloni livery, I believe it's called. So some details about this aircraft. It was delivered to PIA in 2007. Sadly, the aircraft did crash in December of 2016 in Islamabad. Even though this aircraft is sadly now gone, the livery itself is very unique, especially on the ATR. As you can see, we have our registration on the top right wing, as well as both left and right near the back. We have our cargo doors and passenger doors as well. Very much detail on the propellers as well. The wings as well, very detailed, as well as our stabilizer and tail. And just the glossy and detailed work of JCWINGS is no doubt incredible. Next we have is APBHI in the Ziyarat, the City of Flowers livery. The aircraft was first flown on November 15th of 2006, which was later registered in Pakistan as APBHI. It receives the Balochistan Province Tail livery as a part of the 2005 PIA's special liveries and special tails as well. The aircraft was then delivered to PIA in November 25th of 2006 and is still with the airline till this day. So some unique stuff about the livery itself. Here you can see we have a gray nose. We have our special tail design. Very detailed as well on the propellers, as well as the cockpit windows and the passenger windows, as well as the passenger doors. We also have our detail on the landing gear as well. No doubt this is a very unique and rare model to have, and no doubt JCWINGS has done an amazing job on this livery. Our third special aircraft is the Mohenjo-daro Indus Valley Civilization livery. So some details about this aircraft. It was first flown on December 23rd of 2006, which was later registered in Pakistan as APBHJ. It was named the Mohenjo-daro Indus Valley Civilization livery, receiving the Sindh Province Special Tail. The aircraft was then registered and delivered to PIA on December 29th of 2006. As well as, sadly, the aircraft was damaged in, I believe it says 2012. And the aircraft had structural damage and was given a auction notice on October 15th of 2019. I'm not sure if the aircraft was broken apart or if it still is sitting somewhere in Pakistan. I'm not too sure about that, but no doubt it had served PIA for many years. With the livery itself, you can see we have our very unique design on our tail. Personally, this is one of my favorites, I guess you could say, on one of the PIA's special tail liveries. No doubt the detail on it is very amazing. We do have our white color at the front, moving in with the beige color to the back. We also have our special markings on each side, and then our registration on the top right wing, as well as both sides details as well with our cockpit windows and then our passenger windows and landing gear as well with the propellers as well. So our fourth and last aircraft is the same registration APBHO as the first one that had unfortunately crashed in Pakistan, but in this one it shows the same, the Hassan Abadal, the Gurdwara Goni special tail livery. No doubt details in the propellers, same. We have our white body in the front and then our beige color moving into the back. Our special unique tail livery as well. We have our special markings on each side. No doubt details on the cockpit windows and the livery itself with the passenger windows as well. You can also see the registration on the top right wing as well as both left and right side of the aircraft. No doubt JCWINGS has done an amazing job on all of these special liveries. I just wish they made it in with a 200 scale as well, because these are really tiny. And when I show you guys the Fokker F-27, you'll be surprised on how detailed that aircraft is. So no doubt, very rare models in my collection, and very lucky to have them. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed this quick review of these rare PIA ATR models in 1:400 scale by JCWINGS. Let me know in the comments what your favorite tail is, and I'll be more than happy to respond back to let you know what I think about the different special liveries. So once again, if you enjoyed, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future amazing PIA collection videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care guys, thank you.